This is a 2012 Chrysler 300. It has a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, a low tire pressure indicator, Sirius satellite radio, chrome wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: heated front seats, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a Sentry key theft deterrent system, front and rear floor mats, projector beam halogen headlights, solar control glass, and this vehicle has fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. This Chrysler has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Inland Chevy is located at 350 Carriage Circle in Hemet. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.